Usually from our native place, almost 60 members, 70 members. Together we will go to together we will go to Shirdi trip, almost around 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. We are going to spend there and we will come back. So this is, they don't know my village people how to go and so on. Everything we are going to take care. Okay, like so my mother's sister is there. She is going to take care about tickets, all those things. Then what happened is we are going to Shirdi. The TC, the immediate huge number is there. Almost around 60 members are there. Then okay, in that I bit educated myself only. Then I asked her, sir, can you please show all your tickets and Aadhaar cards? And Aadhaar cards like that. Then in bulk booking, right? The people won't give that much importance for the other, what we call ages. This lady captured the ages. Here seems to be 40 years, but here 20 years only. Seems to be 50 years, but here only 10 years only. It's mentioning in the tickets. No. You require to pay some amount like, madam, these people are not educated in bulk booking. Tickets are there for everyone. Only just a age match means, if you are going to book 60 tickets at a time, so all these things are taking care is how it's possible, ma'am. Can you please ignore? Like I told, madam, please check. Like I asked her because. So then, sir, okay, we have our own targets also. Just pay 1,000 rupees, something like she asked, and then we paid. While leaving, she used one word. Sir, your smile is too good, sir. You are not, sir. Your smile is too good. Your smile is too good. Like she went. This has happened almost 5 to 6 years or 10 years before around. Now we see these points well. So smiling face is always going to create a warm environment, man. A welcome environment. Okay, like that's it. Next, here one small secret you have to be aware. 24 years before, Srinivas Rao sir is telling this word. 10 years before, one TC used this word. Still, I remember these words or not? Can you please confirm? I'm telling. Still, I remember this because they appreciated me. Remember this. They appreciated me. The people are going to remember appreciations. Okay, not only my smile, but my psychology also you can understand. Okay, I remember those things I'm telling in this example means not only smile. Okay, those things I'm telling means I remember those appreciations. Okay, without taking notes or without writing anywhere, just printed in my mind. Printed in my mind. Now, naturally, I'm telling this one. Both the things. It's happened. Okay, like even that scenario, I'm in a position after these many years also visualization. Yes. Okay, like so appreciation is that much powerful, man. If you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that. To appreciate someone, yeah, are you required to pay anything?
Nothing.
No. Then better to utilize that weapon, man. Weapon, all the people, better to utilize. So the people are going to remember like me. If you are going to give genuine, sincere appreciation, the people are going to remember like me. Appreciation is the most powerful technique, man. Next, smile. Smile is the most important thing in the just in the first impression or while communicating with the people and so on.